I'm Dylan and I'll be showing you how to check your gas bottle. It's a Saturday night, you've got friends over, you've got music playing, you've got some drinks flowing and you're about to fire up the barbecue when bam, you've run out of gas, party's over, friends are off to the pub and you're stuck at home cleaning up the mess. When all of this could have been averted by just checking your gas bottle levels. Checking a gas bottle is super easy and I'll show you 3 surefire ways to make sure that your barbie is fired up and your night is a roaring success. For this project you will need some scales, some hot water and your gas bottle. The first way to check your gas bottle is to shake it. When you shake it, you'll hear the gas moving around and you'll also feel the movement of the gas in the bottle. If you shake it and hear nothing, then your bottle's empty. Another way to check your gas bottle is by weighing it. What you need to do is place your gas bottle on some scales and check its weight. Each gas bottle has all of its stats embossed on the side. This bottle weighs 21.6 kilograms when full and 8.45 kilograms when empty. This bottle weighs 18.3 kilos, which means we've got heaps of gas for our barbecue. Another way to check your gas levels is by pouring hot water along the side of the bottle. The hot water will warm up the gas bottle, but not the gas, so when you run your hand along the side, the cold section is where the gas is sitting. The gas bottle is cold here, so we've got plenty of gas for our barbecue. If you use these simple tests, you'll never run out of barbecue gas again.